Good afternoon. I would like to talk about the a study on the rights to freedom of information in Malaysia. The basic function of freedom of information is to ensure the the to ensure informed citizen and vital to the functioning of democratic society. Besides of that, freedom of information also gives individual the right to access information about certain public bodies, including all these government portal by two roads, which is public publication scheme and also general right to access. Beside of that, they also have these rights to be made aware of an attend and a public body where public business will be discussed and conduct. Beside of that, challenge a public body denial to assess the record and action taken to a public body meeting. Important of freedom of information are imposes certain obligation on public bodies, which is provide reasonable assistances to public in identify and locating public records, and then we also have this give advance public notice of meeting and provide meeting agenda beforehand, and also prepare meeting minutes and make those meetings are available in public inspection. This also help public to get more information regarding government bodies. Basically, freedom of information is not granted in Malaysia, neither constitutionally nor through any specific legislation. Freedom of information set rules to access information or the records held by government bodies in general. Such law define a legal process by which government information required available to the public. Over 70 countries, including China, India, and also Thailand, have implemented some forms of legislation, and other countries are working towards introduction such law. In Malaysia, we have two states which is using this law. They have enhanced this law as Selangor and Penang is the state which is enhanced this act in their state. The Malaysian government are repeatedly rebuffed requests of freedom of information legislation from the opposition parliaments, and also civil society represent journalists, and this actually this chief argument is that access to information would affect race relation where Malaysia have multi-ethnic population. So beside of that, the officials uh, the official state such as Selangor and Perak has their limit to access any information demand on official secret by government, and those who make public such as information risk also can consider as a criminal prosecution and may be subject to fines or even imprisonment. As Selangor, freedom of information as Selangor have enactment on 2011 was formulated with its own objective, which to enhance the externalization of the information for the public interest, to provide opportunities for every individual to access the information by government, by that state itself, Selangor, and it came to into force on March 5th of 2013. with certain agreement. It also effect from the same date were two subsidiary legislation made by a local authorities to support provision of this act. As we know, Freedom of Information State Selangor Access Information Regulation 2012 and also State Information Board State Selangor 2012. As the Penang government state have sought to ensure people in Penang are given freedom of access the information through the right channel and the right way. Freedom of information in Penang has been an agreement on 2010 was gazetted, and Penang Freedom of Information Act 16 was established on 2nd of February 2012 and came into force on 1st January 2015. The purpose of this implement is subsidiary legislation related agreement that have been prepared and came into force on 1st January 2015. There are two subsidiaries that been as followed: Regulation Freedom of Information Pulau Pinang, Access Information Act 2014, and also rules of April Board Freedom Information Pulau Pinang 2014. These are basically for any individual who wants to get information from the Department of the State, state statutory bodies, and also local authorities, be made according to the provision of the regulation stipulated in the Act. Subsidiation logistically request information to access or information shall be made information officer in that department. The methodology that I have used in this research is about the qualitative, which is in Malaysia we are more to as I have collected more data in Google and also in other platform, which is helps me to improve this research paper, which helps to refer for this research paper. As I know, the qualitative of this research become the flexibility in the freedom of information are totally different compared to other countries, where Malaysia have only 2 states to agree and enforce this act. Beside of that, can be conduct the less agreement according to the state. As we know, we have only few agreement, and also can't be analyzed statistically and generalistically, as Malaysia only agreed for 2 states in a different agreement. Difficult to standardize in Malaysia, as we know Malaysia only agreed for 2 states, so it's more to the flexibility of the government to choose this act. Also, the data has been collected relevant laws and problem regarding the freedom of information in Malaysia, and also the enforcement of law that has been approved in Malaysia, as only 2 states has using this act. As we can see, the analysis shows Malaysia has this major issues in hampering process of freedom in information is how both states, as Selangor and Penang, freedom of information has been played out, and this also basically for enhance more in detail, maybe can be placed for other state as well. Beside of that, The analysis shows that citizens may not aware on their rights of to the information, and also the freedom to get access all the information from the government bodies. And then we also have this conclusion, which is shows we understood better about the research that shows what is freedom of information and how it enhanced in Malaysia, and the right way to access the information from government bodies. We understood we have this freedom of information in Malaysia. Basically, freedom of information is a state law that allows people to request information from the federal government. Also, finally, the freedom of information are very important act that need to be enforced in every country, neither every state, to allow citizens to access important information, yet needed to improvise the security system. And also they must be effective access to judicial and administration produces information disclosure by government bodies. And lastly, thank you to Madam Amalina, to help me and guide me in this research. Thank you.